My kids are obsessed with the frozen store-bought orange chicken. Well, I'm whipping it up from scratch right now. With orange chicken, it is all about the sauce. I'll start with about 1.5 cups of water and 1/3 cup of rice vinegar. In with about 2.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, about 1/4 cup of lemon juice, orange zest, and about 2 tablespoons of orange juice from the same orange. I'm gonna let that heat up a little bit, and then I'll stir in my brown sugar, the aromatics, and spice. Once that's boiled for just a second and all that sugar has dissolved, we're going to let it cool completely. For the chicken, all you need are a couple of boneless, skinless chicken breasts, and then you're just gonna cube them up. Now I'm just gonna take my chicken pieces and place them in a Ziploc bag. We're gonna take a cup of our cooled sauce that we made, and that's gonna be our marinade. So we're gonna let these marinate for a couple hours before we cook them up. All right, our chicken is marinated. Now we're gonna get another bag for our coating, which is just gonna be flour, salt, and pepper. Give it a little shake and then go in with our chicken. You wanna let as much drip off as you can and then just place it in our flour bag and shake it all up. Now let's get cooking on this orange chicken. Now I'm just gonna heat up a large skillet and add in a few tablespoons of oil. We're going to cook this chicken until it's golden brown on all sides, and then it's gonna finish cooking later in the sauce. Just wanna take care not to crowd your pan. Once your chicken's cooked, you're just gonna wipe out your skillet clean, but we wanna leave all that residual heat in there. And then I'm gonna add in that cooled sauce back to here to bring it to a boil, and then we'll thicken it up. To thicken up our sauce, we're gonna do the old school slurry of just cornstarch and water, and then we will whisk that into the sauce. This is gonna make it really glossy and thick, and this is what's gonna help it really coat that chicken. Look how it thickens up so fast and it gets really glossy. Now I'm gonna add the chicken back in, reduce the heat a little bit, and then cook it for about 5 minutes till the chicken's cooked through. This looks so good, smells even better. Time to serve it up. Looks like restaurant quality, if you ask me. Right off the bat, you taste that burst of kind of orange sweet flavor, but it's also a little savory, and you could kick it up always with a little heat from sriracha or something like that. All in all though, this orange chicken is a delicious recipe your family will love. I promise.